My favorite wig right now is the invisible strap. I want to show you all how to sew an invisible strap, adjustable strap in the back of your wig, because it's very comfortable, especially in the summertime. This wig that I'm wearing today is a full lace invisible strap. This invisible strap is the elastic that's in the back. So basically what they did is they took out the bulkiness of the adjustable strap and they replaced it with a thin invisible band that you can use to tighten and secure your wig with no glue in the back so that you are able to pull it up. I haven't had any complaints about it, but if you have ever had your invisible strap, you know, pop and you feel like, oh my god, I can't wear my wig anymore, what am I supposed to do? Then I'm gonna show you the secret on how to sew that invisible strap back into the wig and also how you can purchase it. So today's wig comes from Pretty Luxe Hair. It will be linked in the description box. This is one of my favorite styles from them. This is a yaki texture, a light yaki texture. It comes with several color options. It also comes with cap sizes. This is a full lace wig, so you can pull it up, you can style it however you want to. The texture is so soft, so pretty. This is 100% human hair. There is small kinks in the hair, however, it's not that noticeable, like really harsh texture, but it definitely gives a beautiful natural texture. I'm gonna put it in the description box for you all. This is probably my second install with this and I have no complaints. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the video, and let's get into the tutorial. This is what the elastic band looks like in the back of the wig. It is invisible, so it's supposed to give you a nice scrunch in the back so that your wig can be secure on your head, and it's very comfortable. The benefit of this band is that you do not need to glue down the back of your wig. You can just use the comb and pull this string tight so that you can be able to pull it up into a high ponytail, a bun, whatever you want to do, and it looks very natural. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you how to create it. The link for this kit will be below in the description box. This kit comes with everything you need besides the needle. You get enough material so you can do at least 2 wigs or 3 if I'm not mistaken. Check the link in the description box to have more details. Now the invisible strap wig comes with the invisible strap already sewn in the cap, so you don't have to do this. However, sometimes you may find that you may make a mistake and break it, or you just want to create a wig that has this in it and take out the old bands that they have. So what you would need is this kit in order to do that. This right here are the ends that you use, and it comes with so many of these. And then of course they give you a lot of the elastic. This is actually really long, so it can do about 2 or 3 wigs. So the first thing we're going to do is take the elastic and a needle. I would prefer a sewing needle. All I had was a hair sew needle, so that's what I'm using. And I'm going to thread it through just like if you was going to do a sew-in. However, do not tie any knots on it. You want to start at the edge of the ear tab area, right below it. And this is where we're going to begin threading. I'm just going to take the needle 3 in and then pull it through. And when you do it this way, you will take through the shorter piece and the longer piece. Just keep going. You don't have to worry about, you know, it coming loose. You just want to keep threading this through and just pulling. No knots. Remember, do not tie any knots around that thread right now. You just want to keep going straight across. Now this is the first layer of threading. You're going to need to do this at least 2 more times. It's not complicated. However, to attach the ending can be a little bit tedious, but I'm going to show you an easy way to do it in a second. I love the option that I can get all of this in a kit. Yes, you can find the elastic probably at Michael's. However, the pre-threaded plastics are only in this kit. You probably won't be able to find those, but I do appreciate anyone who is going to purchase the kit. I hope it's very helpful to you, just like this tutorial that I'm putting together for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just keep on sewing through. I'm leaving a longer piece, not too long, at the end, as you can see, and as I'm going back and forth with the thread, I'm pulling and stretching. This elastic is very strong, like very, very strong. I really have not had any pop on me, so this was unnecessary for me. I kind of took mine out just to redo it for you guys, just to show. But okay, we're getting to the end of this first layer, so I'm just pulling it through same way, and then for the next part we're going back the opposite way. However, before I do that, I want to make sure I have enough thread, so I'm gonna pull until the end over there gets shorter, because we're no longer needing a long piece to hang there. So just pull it straight on through and then stretch it out. Now these are the pre-threaded plastics. What you want to do is take one and then you just cut it off. Leave that little needle looking thing through it. This is how you want it to look. Next, you want to take your needle with the thread that's already threaded into the cap, and you want to pull it through like so. So you see how I went through the top part and leave the little plastic there. We're just gonna let that stay there for a second. Now that actually is like a small piece of wire that's sitting there. So this is what you want to use to get that, because you're gonna have to thread that through. So you need that in order to pull that plastic onto the elastic. So let me show you right quick. So what you want to do is, again, you want to take your needle that's already threaded with the elastic. You want to pull it through that little wire, that little loop right there, and pull the string all the way down. And then you're going to take that plastic and pull it onto the thread, the elastic, and that's what's going to hold it. So now we're going into the second layer. We're going to just do the same thing, go straight across just like we did with the first layer. And I honestly think this is a pretty simple process. However, the only problem I had was just trying to figure out how to push that little plastic onto the thread. But after I figured it out, it was so simple. So like I said, just keep going straight across, sewing it, and you want to keep pulling that so that it won't go. I end up taking a clip, like a hair clip, and just pinning that plastic piece to the hair so it wouldn't keep sliding in like that, which was very helpful. That's a tip for you guys, by the way, just in case you have that same problem. Another tip I can give is if you are using the curved needle, this needle right here is for like sewing hair. It is okay. However, I haven't tried it with the straight needle. I do feel like you can most likely get the same results using either needle, so it really doesn't matter. But yeah, we're making progress, going back and forth. It didn't take that long to do this. It just took long to figure out how to do it. So lucky for you all, you have this tutorial to reference. I think I broke it down enough where you can understand. Not like when I gave you all that tutorial on how to do the fake scalp method. That video is still up also. And also Pretty Luxe Hair do sell the fake scalp material if you want to create the fake scalp look in the wig along with the elastic. That probably will be awesome. I will have all the links for those products down in the description box along with this wig. We're going to get into the install later, and I'm going to show you all how to install it and how it looks. This piece right here, you do just want to tie a knot around it and then just cut it a little shorter, and then with the longer piece that's still left, you go and you make a third row of. When you're done, this is the way it should look. You should have 3 rows of that elastic going through. And of course, you got the piece at the end to make sure it does not, pull completely out. But this is a very easy way to DIY the elastic band wig, and you can redo this as many times as you want to any wig. You can actually DIY some of your old wigs if you have some that you just want to refresh. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. Let's get into the install. I love this wig because the texture itself is so natural. I've already cut the lace on it. The texture, the hairline, everything is so pretty. It's so comfortable. There's no wefts in the back. There's no thick adjustable band. All I have to do is take the strap and tighten it. So you would just grab the elastic, pull until it fits where you want it to go. And you can pull it from both sides. And like I said, I love the fact that they give you the option to purchase the elastic now, because some people are a little bit heavy-handed when it comes to their wigs. So I'm glad I was able to show you guys how to put that back in there. You also have an option to get it. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the comb in the back, and that will hold the nape area down. So if I wanted to pull it up, insert it, and yeah, it's not lace looks so good. This is Swiss lace. You can see like a little bit of it when I go like this. It's okay, because we're going to take the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray and do a glueless install. Now, if you were to glue this down, I highly recommend, if you want to use any glue, to use the My Sticky Little Secret actual wig glue. It'll give a longer hold. Or you can use tape. I did do a video on how to use tape. Tape is also another option. But today we're going to use the My Sticky Little Secret. Go ahead and melt this lace on down. And you can spray this under the lace or on the lace. And excuse this part right here. I think I got some type of product on the hairline. Alright, so this is what it looks like, the hairline and everything. With this wig, the knots are not bleached, but you can always go back and add, you know, your tints or whatever you want to use. But you get a really good parting. You can part this wig all the way back because it is full lace wig. And you do have the option to get it in black, or you can get it in this color, which is brown. Yeah, I love the way this turned out. It's so comfortable. It's so pretty. I will have this wig linked. Oh, and before I go, I want to let you all know too that this color, because they have 3 color options for this wig. They have natural black, number 2 brown, and number 4 brown. So this right here is the number 2 brown. I know some people don't like the reddish brown, some people do, but this one is just dark brown, basically, number 2. So pretty. The texture is really soft. It also does not tangle. Like, I've washed this wig already, and like I said, the more you use a hot comb, the more the kinks kind of soften out, and it doesn't have that like really crazy kinky look. I will have this wig linked below in the description box for y'all. Be sure to check below the video, and also thumbs up the video. You hope it was very helpful for all of you. And remember, whenever you want to purchase the invisible strap wig, the kits are going to be with the invisible strap wig option, so you'll have an option to purchase it with the invisible strap wig. But yeah, everything will be down there. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video, and I will see you in my next video.